Hey my friends, my name is Terry. Welcome to my channel English with Terry. In this video, I have another English pronunciation secret for you, all about how to use wanna just like a native speaker. English with Terry. So just to be clear, the infinitive in English is the word to plus the verb, right? To send and to buy. We have a lot of verbs where we use the infinitive, but the most important four are I want, I need, I would like, and I'm going. We will always use to after these verbs and then the normal verb, right? So I want to go, I need to go, I would like to buy, etc., right? The number one mistake that I see with students is that they forget the to. So I want go there, I need buy, I would like see, I'm going talk to them, right? You must always remember to put to after I want, I need, I would like, and I'm going. Now, here in English, the want to, when we are speaking, we can contract to wanna, all right? So let's get the pronunciation. The wanna, wanna, wanna. So want to will become wanna. Now, with I, you, we, they, it's very simple. If I wanna, you wanna, we wanna, they wanna. But with he and she, we have the S. And because wanna is want and to, not wants and to. Here we cannot say he wanna. This is incorrect. But in the positive we have he wants to buy it. In the negative is he doesn't want to buy it. So here in the negative, yes, we can contract and say he doesn't wanna buy it. But in the positive, we cannot say he wanna buy it. Only in the negative. And then in the question, does he want to buy it? Yes, we can say, does he wanna buy it? Okay? So remember, want to and the verb is wanna. He wants to go there, we cannot contract to wanna. He wanna go there, this is incorrect because wanna is always want and to and the verb. Now, if we have want and yes, here we can also make wanna. For example, I want a new phone. I want a new phone. I want a new phone, okay? But if we're using the word some before a noun or whatever, do you want some coffee? Here we can't say wanna. We say, do you want some coffee? Would be incorrect, all right? Now, when we're using this in the past, it's similar to he and she, in that I wanted to go there, and then in the negatives, I didn't want to go there. Now, if you remember about wanna is always want to in the verb. In the positive, wanted to, we cannot make wanna. But in the negative, yes, we can. I didn't want to go, I didn't wanna go. So let's be clear about all the little mistakes that people make when they're trying to use wanna in their speaking. We cannot say, I wanna to go. It will always be simply, I wanna go. Or she wanna go is not correct. And do you wanna some coffee? All right? It'll be, I wanna go, she wants to go, and do you want some coffee? All right? So my question for you is, what do you wanna do today? Write in the comments, I wanna go to the beach, but I live in Ireland and it's cold, so I'm not going to go. But what do you want to do today? Okay? Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Please click like if you liked the video and share with your friends if you think it's useful and you want to help your friends and help me grow on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos which are coming out all the time, helping you guys on your journey to English fluency. If you would like a free Listening Strategies Fluency course, just check out the link below in the description where I talk about all the strategies that I use to have amazing listening and fluency in French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm Terry Donegal and I'll see you guys in the next video.